morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today we will do Let's Try 1 again. This Let's Try 1 I have given you in homework yesterday, but some students did some mistakes. That's why I will teach you again how to complete this Let's Try 1. Okay students, let's read with me. Okay, you have to read with me. Rajat was a caring boy. He had the puppies. In the story, I have taught you about Rajat. Rajat was a caring boy. Yes, take out your books and find out where is the paragraph. Yes, in the first paragraph, I have taught you that there was a litter of puppies and a garbage pile, and a litter of puppies was stuck in the garbage pile, and Rajat picked them out from the garbage pile and put them in safe place. So that's why he was a caring boy, है ना? Because he had the puppies. That's why this statement is true. This statement is true and this statement is correct. That's why we write why. Why? Okay, that's why we write why. Yes, why means yes. Okay, why means yes. The next one is Aji was harassed. Aji was harassed because she couldn't find her keys. Yes students, remember the story. In the story I have taught you something was misplaced of Aji. Aji का कुछ misplace हो गया था. Yes. Aji's glasses were misplaced on that time and she couldn't find them. उनको वो ढूंढ नहीं पा रही थी. But here Aji was harassed because she couldn't find her keys. keys तो नहीं खोई थी उनकी. keys तो misplace नहीं हुई थी, है ना? misplace क्या हुई थी? glasses. Aji was harassed because she couldn't find her glasses. That's why this statement is incorrect. That's why we write no. N for no. Okay, N. We write N for no. Next one is Rajat's room. Yes, students. Read it carefully. Rajat's room was always clean and tidy. Yes, tell me. Rajat's room always clean and tidy. Yes. Rajat's room always clean and tidy. No? है ना? Rajat's room was always look dirty. Always look unmanaged. Okay? That's why this statement is incorrect. That's why we write N for no. Rajat's clothes. Yes, read it again. Rajat's clothes and toys wanted to make him understand that it was important to look after his things. Yes, Rajat's clothes and toys wanted to make him understand that it was important to look after his things. कि वो उसको समझाना चाहते थे कि उसको अपनी चीजों का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. Yes. Who will tell me? You all know about this कि सारी चीजों ने प्रोटेस्ट कर दिया था, है ना? All the things of Rajat were protested on that time because Rajat did not take care of his thing. That's why this statement is correct. Okay, this statement is correct. That's why we write Y. Y for yes. Okay. The next one is Rajat. Yes, Rajat was happy to miss school. Rajat was happy to miss school. Rajat was happy to miss school. School miss करके बहुत happy था. No students, he was excited on that time because in the school Rajat has a football match in the school. That's why he excited on that day. Okay, he was not happy to miss school. Okay, that's why this statement is incorrect and we will write N. Okay, students, do it fast. Okay, done. The next one is Aji assured the toys, clothes and books that Rajat would treat them with respect. Yes, students, Aji assured the toys, clothes and books that Rajat would treat them with respect. Aji ने assure किया था ना toys, books and clothes को कि रजत उनके साथ रिस्पेक्टली बिहेव करेगा, है ना? तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. दैट्स व्हाई वी राइट व्हाई. ओके, इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज रजत डिड नॉट चेंज हिज हैबिट. रजत डिड नॉट चेंज हिज हैबिट. उसने अपनी हैबिट चेंज नहीं की. रजत डिड नॉट चेंज हिज हैबिट. Yes, he changed his habit, है ना? He changed his habit. That's why this statement is incorrect. Okay, that's why we write N for no. Okay, we will do let's try 2. Okay, let's try 2 there are 4 questions and I will give you the answers. Okay, now we will write the answers of the questions of this chapter. The first question of the chapter is what did Rajat stop to? Yes, students, read with me. Okay, what did Rajat stop to observe on the way home? What did Rajat stop to observe on the way home? Yes, army of ants, na? Yes, on his way he observed an army of ants. So we will write how on his way, or we can write on Rajat's way, but on his way is more appropriate. That's why we will read on his way. Yes, let's start. On his way, comma, on his way Rajat stopped to observe an army of ants. And full stop. Okay, students, write it fast. What did Rajat stop to observe on the way of home? On the way home? Yes, on his way Rajat stopped. किसके लिए रुका था? For an army of ants, है ना? Rajat stopped to observe an army of ants. Okay, students. Now we will write the next question. What is the next question? What did Aji like about Rajat? What did Aji like about Rajat? What did Aji like about Rajat? Yes, Aji liked Rajat because Rajat was a very caring boy. Okay, that's why we write Aji liked that Rajat was such a caring boy. Aji liked that Rajat was such a caring boy. Write it fast, students. Your handwriting should be good. Okay. Now we will write the next one. The question number 3. Question number 3 is why was Aji worried about Rajat? Why was Aji worried about Rajat? Because Rajat, yes. First of all, we will write the question. Why was Aji worried about Rajat? Okay. Question mark. The answer of the question is Aji worried about Rajat because she wondered when he would learn to look after means देखभाल करना. Okay, learn to look after his things. अपनी चीजों की देखभाल करना कब सीखेगा? Aji worried about Rajat because she wondered when he would learn to look after his things. अपनी चीजों की देखभाल करना वो कब सीखेगा? That's why Aji worried about Rajat. Okay, students. Now we will erase the first question. Okay, so you have to write it fast. Hurry up, students. Now I am going to erase it. Question number 3. I think आप लोगों को नहीं लिखा होगा, तो I will write the answer of this question again. Okay. Question number 3 and question 4 we will write again. And this time you have to write it fast. Okay, students. Question number 3. I will write question number 3 again. Yes. Why was Aji worried about? Aji worried about Rajat because she wondered when he would learn to look after his things. To look after his things. Okay, students. Now we will write question number 4. Did Rajat's habit? Yes. Did Rajat's habits change? Yes. Did Rajat's habit change? Yes, students, always remember this thing. When a question starts with did, do, does, then the answer will come a yes or no. Okay. Did Rajat's habit change? How do you know? Okay, now we will write the answer. Yes. क्या रजत की हैबिट्स चेंज हुई थी? Yes, students. Yes. After the protest of things, Rajat's habits changed. That's why we write. First of all, we will write yes because this question is starting with the date. This question is starting with date. That's why we give our answer. We will give the answer in yes or no. If the Rajat's habits change, then we write yes. If the Rajat's habit did not change, then we write no. Okay. So Rajat's habits were changed on that time. So we will write yes. Okay. Yes. Put a comma after yes, and then Rajat's habit. Rajat did change his habits. Rajat changed his habits. Change. How do you know? कैसे आप जानते हैं? How do you know? After the protest by his toys. After the protest by his toys, books and books, after the protest by his toys and books, he made sure everything. He put a comma. He made sure. Everything was kept. Everything was kept neatly and in its proper place. Neatly and in its proper place. Okay, in its proper place. Then put a full stop after the completing sentence. Okay, students. The third question is why was Adi worried about Rajat? Then answer Adi worried about Rajat because she wondered. वो ऐसा सोचती थी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा worried थी because when she wondered when he would learn to look after his things. Okay, and the next question is did Rajat's habits change? How do you know? Yes, Rajat changed his habits after the protest by his toys and books. He made sure everything was kept neatly and its proper place. Okay, students, this is the Let's Try 2 and I have taught how to complete Let's Try 1 of chapter 3 and Let's Try 2 you have to do Let's Try 2 in your English notebook and Let's Try 1 you have to complete Let's Try 1 in your book also. Okay, students, bye bye. Stay home, keep safe. Okay, students, bye bye.